We want the general solution to this equation, and as usual it's going to be is y sub c plus we do it in the other order for no reason in particular, y sub p plus y sub c, where this is a particular solution, and this one here is the general solution of the homogeneous problem. So let's solve the homogeneous problem first. That's y double prime minus y prime minus 6y equals 0. The characteristic equation is r squared minus r minus 6, which factors into r minus 3, and r plus 2. That's equal to 0. So the characteristic roots are 3 and minus 2. So the general solution to the homogeneous equation is c1 e to the 3x plus c2 e to the minus 2x. Okay. Now, this is one of those that's a little more complicated than we would like, in that, well, if I'm going to try to, let me make a guess at what the particular solution is going to be first. It's not quite going to work. To take care of the 12, that means I'm just going to take a guess at some constant a plus, and your first reaction may be to just take a b e to the minus 2x here. The problem with this is that this e to the minus 2x here, this is one of the solutions to the homogeneous equation. So if I plug this in here into this homogeneous part, that's just going to become 0. So I'm not going to be able to solve for b. And the trick in that case is, when it's a solution to that, is I multiply by x. And then I'll plug this in, and all the x terms will hopefully cancel out. Well, they will. And we'll be able to solve for b. So yp prime, we need the first derivative. Well, a is just 0 because it's constant, plus, okay, b, derivative of x is 1, so e to the minus 2x, plus bx, and derivative of the x is minus 2x, and then multiply by a minus 2. And let's see if we can write that in a slightly more aesthetic form. b, and if I factor everything, the b's out and e to the x is out, I get a minus 2x plus 1 e to the minus 2x. All right. And we need another derivative. And that is going to be b, the derivative of the first factor here, which is minus 2 e to the minus 2x, plus b minus 2x plus 1 times the derivative of that second factor, which is minus 2x times minus 2. Well, and let's see, that simplifies down a bit. I can factor a b out of everything, and I'm left with a minus 2 and a minus, let's see, plus, plus a minus 2x plus 1 times this minus 2 from out of here at the end, e to the minus 2x, which all simplifies down to b to minus 4x, I guess that's a plus 4x, and then a minus 4 e to the minus 2x. All right. Okay. So Now what we have to do is take the combination we're interested in, which is second derivative minus the first derivative minus 6 times the function. So this is going to be yp double prime minus yp prime minus 6y of p. Yp double prime is b 4x minus 4 e to the minus 2x minus y prime. Y prime we can read from up there, and that's going to be minus b minus 2x plus 1 e to the minus 2x, and then minus 6 times y, which was a, plus bx e to the minus 2x. And all right, well, that's that. Okay, I guess maybe well, let's just do it the long way. This is going to be, well, I don't know what we're asking here. All right, so this is going to be, where are we? Let's see, there's only one a term, and it's minus 6a. And let's get the rest of the terms here. I can factor b's out and here. So from this first one, I have 4x minus 4. From the second one here, I have minus 2x plus 1. And then I've got to subtract off this, and that's just going to give me a minus 6x and then an e to the minus 2x, and which gives us a minus 6a plus b times 4x minus 4 plus 4x minus 2 minus 6x, and I've got an error in there. This should not be a 4. This should be a 2. All right, let's check it. 4x minus, let's check it. 4x minus 4 is right, distributing that in. Minus 2x minus 2, and then minus the 6x. Close it off, e to the minus 2x. That's minus 6a plus b times, well, I have 4x plus 2x minus 6x. So all the x terms cancel, which is good. And in fact, the first time I did this problem, they didn't cancel, and I knew I had an error. And then that is going to leave me with, minus 2, and I've still got an error in here. When I distributed that in, that shouldn't be a 2. Oops. Okay, why am I not erasing? That should be a minus 1. All right, that's that. So, which leaves us with a minus 5, and then e to the minus 2x. So we end up with minus 6a minus 5b e to the minus 2x. And if we go all the way back up here to what we were looking to begin with, we can see what our target is 12 plus 30 e to the minus 2x. So we're in good shape. Okay, if I have minus 6a equals 12, and That just says A is minus 2. And for the second part, I need minus 5B equals 30. I'm lining up this part here with this part here. And so that says B is minus 6. So I now have my particular solution is, what is it? A is minus 2 minus 6x e to the minus 2x. So the solution to the general solution of the non-homogeneous equation is going to be minus 2 minus 6x e to the minus 2x plus c1 e to the 3x plus c2 e to the minus 2x. And we have it. And, well, it's unfortunate these calculations take as long as they are. The basic idea is actually pretty simple.